The quality of an edge banding starts with the polyvinyl chloride inside it, but is determined by its calcium content. This is pure PVC, and this is calcium carbonate. There is an easy way to bring down the overall cost. However, the use of high calcium, which many manufacturers prefer, brings with it three serious problems in production. First, blade life. Calcium carbonate is a hard and abrasive filler material. Its high calcium content acts like sandpaper within the material, rapidly dulling milling and shaving blades. Tece's formula, which features a low filler ratio and contains 8% calcium, significantly minimizes wear on cutting tools and effectively doubles blade life. Secondly, the problem of breakage during winter. High calcium formulations lose their elasticity and turn brittle, particularly at lower temperatures. This leads to cracking and breakage during transportation or processing. Tece products, with low calcium and the right strength additives, retain their flexibility even in winter conditions and will not crack at all. A third common problem is known as whitening. Poor quality tapes having high filler content will turn white during the cutting and trimming phase. Tece products retain their true color throughout the entire process. No white lines are formed. No retouching is needed. As a result, better chemistry means a higher quality product.